You're good.
Hi, I'm Matt. This is my big playtime bike check. Okay, let's start with the brain of the bicycle. The stem. This is Mongoose. Served quite a while. The frame. We the People Phoenix, 1991 or something. Some Mongoose forks. If I ever break those, I'll be quite impressed. Got a red salt rim at the front, and the two words of Amros, quite into the red at the moment. Red at the back, Odyssey Midway, and Odyssey hub on there as well. Don't know what the chain is. That's a FBM sprocket. We've got the 1-bolt cranks. Lots of like haters out there about the 1-bolt cranks, but they're okay. They do the job.
Sweet.
We've got a We the People seat, which has had like quite a few owners, and it's taken a bit of a battering now. S&M slam bars, the wide bar snobberies. Pedals, well go, can't forget those. And that's about it. Other than that, like, keep it simple, no brakes. Only other custom mod would be the head tube, which I've got custom splits in there. That's for speed and wobblyability. Yeah. There it is.
Sweet as.
Shall I fall off now?
Yeah, please.
No.